If you're looking for an easy potato air fryer recipe, then you're going to want to keep watching. Hey friends, it's Kelly and welcome back to Mama Needs a Goal. Thank you so much for joining me today, and if you're new here, welcome, welcome. So friends, I like these. They're called Simply Potatoes. They have them shredded, they have Southwest, they have diced with onion. I love these potatoes and I always fried them in oil. And I thought, you know what? I wonder if we can make this in the air fryer. So I went on their website and sure enough you can. So I just am making it like I normally would in my pan without all that grease and oil and everything. So we're going to be making them in the air fryer today. You can absolutely shred your own potatoes if you want. Why go through all that when you can just buy that? But anyway, we're going to be making that today. So let me go ahead, go over all my ingredients, and then we'll get started. Okay, my friends, so we have some parsley, some seasoned salt, and if you don't have seasoned salt, you can just use garlic and onion powder. I'll put the recipe in the description box with the onion and garlic powder and the salt, as well as with my seasoned salt. Black pepper. I use Mexican shredded cheese. You can use any kind of cheese you like on potatoes, not a problem. Some olive oil and the shredded hash browns, as you can see. And friends, that's all the ingredients we're going to be using, so let's get started. Alrighty, I have my potatoes in my bowl. I am preheating my air fryer. It's on 375 and just put it in for, turn it on for about 3 to 5 minutes. Now I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Okay, and we just want to get these coated really well. Just mix it really well. Okay, now I'm going to add in 2 teaspoons of seasonal. Now, I do admit I like mine with a lot of seasonal, so you can cut back and then just add to taste if you would like, but friends, I like my seasonal. And then a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. And at this point, if you want to add a little bit of onion powder, you can. I think I might add just a little bit. I know I didn't go over the ingredients with that, but I think I'm going to add a little bit. Okay, just give it a little oniony taste. And then we're just going to make sure that the potatoes are covered really well. And you'll be able to see the color differentiation here. So just keep stirring it, and don't fling it out of the bowl. I think I've flung every dish I've made so far for Air Fryer February out of the dish. Okay. And then I'm just going to add a tiny bit more of olive oil. Just like that. And then the cheese and parsley will come in the last 2 minutes of our cooking time. Alrighty, our air fryer is ready. I'm going to open that up. We're just going to put our potatoes in there and just spread it out. So excited for these tonight. Bill is out there grilling some chicken and some potatoes and a salad. I can eat a little bit of potatoes with being a diabetic. He can eat these. I just can have a few bites. Not much, but he can have it. So, alrighty, we're spread out. Alright, we're going to put this in on 375 for about, 5 minutes. And then we will check on them and toss them around. Alrighty. Go ahead. They're smelling delicious. Just mix it around a little bit. Boy, do they smell good. Yum. Alrighty, we're gonna put those back in. We're gonna put them in for about 5 more minutes. Alrighty, let's check on them. Oh, they're looking good. They are looking good. They did go the full 5 minutes. Just coming along. Alrighty, I'm going to put them in for about 2 more minutes, then pull them out and top them with cheese. Alrighty. Okay, looking good. Looking good. Now we're going to go ahead and add some cheese. You do not have to do this if you don't want to add cheese, obviously. But you do want to definitely check your potatoes and make sure they're done. And if you like them crispier, please go ahead and put them in even a little bit longer. Alright, we're going to go in for about 2 minutes. And then we'll be ready for our taste test. Alrighty, let's give it a quick peek. And yum! Look at that! I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of parsley on top. And then we're going to do our taste test. Alright, my friends, taste test time. So delicious. Delicious, delicious. So friends, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget, hit that little subscribe button, as it does greatly help me out. Also, please consider checking me out over on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and TikTok, as I am active on all those social media sites as well. So friends, thanks so much, and I'll catch up with you next time. Bye.